This template is already a popular choice for Valentine's designs, and I want to show you how easy it is to create another cell-ready variation from it. This is a great way to expand your shop without starting over or creating something completely new. I'm starting by swapping out the illustration. Changing a single visual element is one of the quickest ways to offer a fresh option for the same season. Next, I'm centering the text. It's a simple adjustment that instantly changes the feel of the design without adding complexity. Now I'm adding a new element, and one of the most popular graphic trends this Valentine's season is bows. They're playful, cute, and instantly recognizable, which helps shoppers quickly connect with the theme. I'm letting it work as a background detail. By placing it behind the text and lowering the opacity, it adds interest while keeping the design easy to read and easy to personalize. To finish, I'm adding a pop of pink to the text. This small color change ties everything together and leans into the season without overwhelming the layout. Before wrapping up, I'm just making sure everything feels balanced, clear, and cohesive. That's what keeps the design polished and truly ready to sell. With just a few thoughtful updates, you now have another invitation created from the same template. Fast to make, easy to repeat, and ready to list. If you're building a digital product shop, subscribe for easy, repeatable design strategies you can use again and again.